Hey guys, how's it going? So I've been officially teaching AI for the last 5 years, 4 or 5 years, and I have been unofficially been in this space for over 10 to 12 years. Over the last 4 or 5 years, what I've realized and what a lot of my students have asked me is there one platform where I can, get everything that I want, stay up to date with AI. And for me, like I have a bunch of different resources, I have a set of newsletters and so on and so forth. And all of that is a lot of resources because everything, every piece of content specializes in something specific. So I have some newsletters that are specific to tech, AI, machine learning, and the people who are writing this content are mostly technical folks, right? There is no one platform where non-technical folks can also stay up to date with AI. Obviously, there are newsletters, but they don't give you enough, right? And it's just not that up to date. So it's only going to give you a few relevant set of information few relevant set of data on a more regular basis. Now, one thing that we were doing in ExplainX.ai for quite some time, and we did this for our own internal use case, to stay up to date with AI, we built an internal agent that would go ahead and give us updates every day with respect to what is going on in AI. And now that turned out very helpful for me because I was doing this full time and it helped me keep my content up to date. But I slowly realized that a lot of students that join me in my boot camps or my classes, they don't really, at the end of the day, obviously when something goes viral, they know about it. But when it comes to optimization, speed, options, alternatives, they don't really have too much understanding with respect to what is available out there, what is going on a more regular basis, and also that they don't have enough time. And so, there were a bunch of different problem statements like this. So where to discover skills, prompts, where do I find, new things? For example, loops are new now. A lot of different problems that a lot of other platforms weren't solving. And for this, we built ExplainX.ai, and this website, like I have rebranded a lot of times now. So we started being an AI community, we went into being a learning community, and now finally I think we have a right vision with respect to this being a place for my students to stay up to date. So I want to build this like a resource place for all my students and so on and so forth. So what is ExplainX.ai? This is a quick walkthrough video. Obviously, it's a platform where you can stay up to date with AI in simple terms. Now, if you actually go ahead and click on, if you look at the website itself, it is also a registry of things, right? So if you click on skills, if you don't know what skills are essentially superpowers for your AI models that enable you to do things on a more regular and consistent basis. So we added skills, we added design.md, which is a new specification by Google. We added daily news here. So in case you want to stay up to date with respect to what is happening on a specific date, all the important pieces, we go ahead and add those items here. And recently loop engineering became mainstream, so we added loops as well that we found on the internet were useful. And it has a bunch of different repository around tools, agents, MCP, LLMs, plugins, and so on and so forth. We also have things like scan audits, so in case you want to use things like skills and you don't know if they are good or safe from the security standpoint, we've added those features in order to perform those checks. I think what we're trying to build is like a complete AI community of sorts, like everything that my students or pretty much now everyone on the internet would need to stay up to date with AI, and that's our goal. We are updating our content on a regular daily basis. So these are the latest pieces we've added of blogs, and if you go through the blogs themselves, they are high quality, well researched, and we make sure that we all, our team reads this before we publish this. So we want to make sure that the content that you get is up to date and everything is grounded, meaning you will almost for every piece of information we give you, it will have a source where it's coming from. So essentially it's a platform where we collate everything, and larger goal is still to build like a AI community of sorts of a future, or people who are, excited about this space or tech in general. We also have a newsletter running in case you're interested to understand what, get all of this regularly on your inbox. So we send, I think 5 or 6 weekly emails, and you don't have to even pay for it, which is huge, right? So on top of this, we've also recently launched a bootcamp, which is my best bootcamp. So I've done 15 bootcamps so far, spanning 6 weeks. You go from zero to, the best possible place where you can when it comes to generative AI and AI in general. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up, like we've built something like this, and if you're interested, please go ahead and check it out. Give us feedback with respect to what you feel, what we could do better in the platform, and how we could improve this iteratively over time in the future. So thank you so much. I hope this video gave you a very, very high level overview of what we're working on. If there are, any suggestions, feedback, please definitely go ahead and let me know. And if you're interested and new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for, up to date AI content. But yeah, thank you so much and have a great rest of the day.